In this video, we will compare the workflow of CompactDry Total Count Rapid, or TCR, and Petrifilm Rapid Aerobic Count. To begin, we will transfer our Petrifilm plates from the refrigerator to the workspace and allow them to reach room temperature before use. CompactDry plates do not require refrigeration and are ready to use immediately. Now we will label each plate with a dilution factor ranging from 10 to the minus 1 to 10 to the minus 8. We will perform a quick serial dilution from a McFarland suspension using the DiluCup serial dilution system with the Dilugent shaker. See the link in the upper left for information on this innovative dilution solution. Each cup is precisely filled with 9 milliliters of diluent for easy and ergonomic 10-fold dilutions. For a detailed video tutorial on how to prepare a McFarland suspension and perform serial dilutions, check out the link in the upper right corner. Once our dilutions are prepared, we are ready to plate. Since our Petrifilm plates haven't reached room temperature yet, let's start with CompactDry. Simply lift the cover of one CompactDry plate and use a mechanical pipette to transfer 1 milliliter of solution into the center of the plate. Replace the cover. CompactDry plates are all self-diffusing and do not require spreading or stamping. We will repeat this process with the remaining 3 dilution factors. When complete, the tray is ready for incubation. The unique design of CompactDry plates allows unlimited stacking. Now let's switch to Petrifilm. First, place the plate on a level surface. Lift the top cover film and gently transfer 1 milliliter of solution using a mechanical pipette. Slowly roll the top cover film down, being careful not to entrap any air bubbles. Use a Petrifilm spreader to carefully spread the inoculum evenly across the reading area. Allow the plate to rest for a minimum of 1 minute while the gel media solidifies before moving. Repeat this process for each dilution factor. After the media has solidified, transfer to the incubator. Petrifilm can be layered on top of one another no higher than 20 plates in a stack. After a 24-hour incubation period, these plates are ready to read. For CompactDry, count the colonies by hand or by using the Wizard automated colony counter. Petrifilm plates can also be read by hand or by using a 3M advanced plate reader connected to an external computer. CompactDry plates have a space between the media and the cover lid, which allows colonies to form three-dimensionally. Isolated colonies can easily be picked for subculture or identification via MALDI-TOF. For more information on the Hardy Diagnostics MS1000 MALDI-TOF, follow the on-screen link. Petrifilm colonies can also be picked, though the cover film will interfere with the colony shape and may make it more difficult to identify isolated colonies. CompactDry EC is recommended for the isolation and enumeration of coliforms and Escherichia coli. Chromogens in the media allow easy differentiation of E. coli from other coliforms. CompactDry XSA is recommended for the detection and enumeration of Staphylococcus aureus. Petrifilm Staph Express can be used in conjunction with the Staph Express disc to detect Staphylococcus aureus. Hardy Diagnostics distribution centers deliver quick and reliable shipping, ensuring that supply chain disruptions don't interfere with your critical testing needs. Visit our website to see Hardy Diagnostics' complete CompactDry product catalog and to request free samples of CompactDry plates. To recap, CompactDry plates may be stored at room temperature, and Petrifilm plates require refrigeration. CompactDry plates are self-diffusing, while Petrifilm plates require the inoculum to be spread manually. CompactDry cassettes are rigid and feature a secure lid, whereas Petrifilm media is flexible with a flexible lid. With CompactDry, space between the lid and media allows for colony growth in 3 dimensions, preserving morphology and allowing easy colony picking. Arranging compact dry plates in the incubator is simple and convenient, as compact dry plates do not have a stacking limit.
Hardy Diagnostics is your complete microbiology supplier. Check out our catalogs in the links below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and product videos. Remember to turn on notifications to be notified of new videos as they are released. Hardy Diagnostics is 100% employee-owned and has been serving microbiologists for over 40 years. To learn more about Hardy Diagnostics and the products we offer, visit us at hardydiagnostics.com.